I think the purpose of Redhawk Racing is to give mechanical engineer students and other students at Miami the ability to kind of experience what it's like to get a car to the racetrack, and the car is designed by them, it's budgeted by them, and kind of go through the whole process and see what it's like in the motorsports world.
I joined Redhawk Racing because I have a huge passion for sports, and I wanted a way to apply my knowledge that I have learned in the business school to the sports world, and I thought this was the best way to get firsthand experience.
For the Redhawk Racing program as the advisor, what I do is I try to define what the project is going to be for the year with the students. I also help with interfacing with the university, some things with funding, purchasing of capital equipment for the program, as well as I'm the bus driver. I drive the race trailer to and fro the competitions and organize the hotels and whatnot.
I joined the racing club because I had a passion for automotive and racing. I grew up around cars, so I was looking for a club that would give me the opportunity to get involved, be around all of those sorts of things that I grew up with. My participation in the club has taught me a lot about digital designing, using the manual machines in the shop, simple fabrication, and just theorizing ideas and learning how to implement those in an effective and cost-effective way.
I'd have to say the thing that excites me most about Redhawk Racing is the ability to go and race other schools and compete with other teams based on the car that we design. And I think it's interesting because every part of the car is designed and manufactured by us.
My role in the club is a part of the donorship committee, and I work to bring new donors so we can fund the Miami Redhawk Racing program. As a finance student, I bring all of my knowledge such as accounting classes, finance classes, marketing, management classes to really grow the amount of money that the club has to spend, as well also being able to keep track of our money and make sure that we don't overspend and things like that.
I've always had a lifelong love for motorsports, and I really wanted to apply what I learned in the business school to that love of motorsports, and this club provided the opportunity to do that. So my role in the club is essentially to run all of the business operations. We're starting to implement some cost tracking stuff, as well as donorship practices and social media norms. We're also going to be revamping and sort of revisiting our business-to-business marketing pitch that's a part of every competition.
At the competitions, it's not just racing the car. I think obviously that's the exciting part of it. I'm not going to lie. I think it's the part that I very much enjoy because we all like to compete in these dynamic events. But it's more than that. What the students have to do, they have to come up with some sales presentations for their designs. They have to come up with cost and routing information. So it was very much akin to what they would be doing as engineers or working in sales.
The thing that excites me the most about Redhawk Racing is the idea of competing against other schools and just truly showing what Miami students can do. Last fall, or fall of 2019, at Midnight Mayhem in Louisville, we beat 74 other cars or 74 other schools and truly showed what Miami students and what Miami ingenuity can do.
My role in the club is leader of the Formula E competition car. I help guide our guys and just do a lot of the organizational tasks as well as some of the engineering on the Formula car. This is the first year that we are doing a Formula E car. We used to run a conventional combustion engine Formula car, but we are forging forward with electric power.
Some of the ways the students grow over the 4 years is just absolutely tremendous. I see some students coming in and knowing very little about mechanical design or even automotive design. And by the time they leave, they're incredibly knowledgeable in the subject. And only that, they've learned how to learn and how to develop their own skills.